I really love this snack nung bata ako. Kaya we are going to make binangkal.
Simpol, luto na, ha.
So we're making binangkal, no? It's a fried sesame ball. Pero it looks like buchi, but it's not buchi kasi it's a dough inside. Hindi siya yung sticky rice. First and foremost, yung gagawin ko ay I will sift my flour. So I'm using 2.5 cups of flour. Flour, sugar, white sugar yung gamit natin. Baking powder, and salt. Di ba? Ang dali lang. Yan lang siya. Combine natin. Mix lang natin siya. And we will just add our evaporated milk and 1/4 cup of Golden Fiesta Palm Oil. Yan. Combine lang natin siya. You can actually knead it. So look at that, no? You have a very nice sticky dough. No? We can actually knead it, no? I'll just put it into my work surface and knead, no? And we can now begin dividing it, no, into the number of pieces we want to make. Let's make like 24 pieces of this. And now let's divide, no? So, half, yan. Then divide into 3. Shape it into balls. It will expand, no? So be sure to really shape it beautifully. Yan. Just be sure that your work surface is really clean. And here I have a plate of sesame seeds. So we will roll our binangkal in the sesame seeds. It's good enough. And what we do, and you press your palms, no, to shape it into a perfect ball. Yan, di ba? So dapat medyo may diin ng konti para dikit na dikit yung ating sesame seeds. I will fry half and you have to put, no, a good number of them para your oil will be regulated, no? Hindi siya masyado magiging mainit kasi you have enough dough balls. Yan. Just move it around. Look at that. Oh, wow. Ang ganda. You will know that it's already cooked when your binangkal is already floating. Pero ako, I just let it sit in the hot oil for a few more minutes para talagang crispy siya outside, no? And let's remove our binangkal. Masarap siya yung bagong luto. Masarap din siya days after. So you can always make someone happy kahit wala kang oven. Kahit bata, kaya itong gawin. And I'm sure they will love it too. Kaya ito na ang ating recipe, Binangkal Simpol!